Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are all fine. I'm your English teacher from PMS Voice 3. I welcome you all in today's video. Hope you have collected and seen your English May home task from school, right? You people have collected your May home task from school and you have seen it. In today's video, I'm going to guide you how you have to attempt this task in your neat copies. Clear? You have to do this home task in your neat copies. I'm going to guide you how you have to attempt each and every question, as you have to do all the work in your neat copies, so it should be according to a proper format, neat, proper presentation, proper handwriting. You have to keep in mind all these things, right? Follow the instructions, the guidance I'm giving you in this video. Clear? Okay. Now, boys, you people have seen the lecture video, English lecture video. This home task is based on that lecture of Unit 7, right? This task is based on the lecture of Unit 7, which you have studied in second video, right? The teacher has taught you Unit 7. In second video, you people would have that video with you. This task is based on Unit 7, right? Okay, boys, this is your task, Class 9 task, right? You people have got this task. Hopefully this is clear to you. Okay, this is your English task for Class 9, Unit 7, the 2 bargains. Question 1 is translate the passage into Urdu, right? First, I am reading this task for you people. Translate the passage into Urdu. This is your question number 1. This passage has been taken from the unit, right? This passage is there in the book. Let me show you. This is the first passage of Unit 7, right? This is Unit 7, right? Unit 7. The 2 bargains. And you people have read, the teacher has taught you this unit in the video. Arabia is a desert land where water is scarce. This is the passage given to you to translate it into Urdu, right? And it is ending at, it was called Beere Roma, right? Now question 2 is, question 2, answer the following short questions, right? There are 5 questions. First question is, where did the Holy Prophet ﷺ migrate? Second question is, who owned the well? Question 3, how many wells were there in the town? Question 4, how was the water of the well? Question 5, what was the well called? Right? These are the 5 questions, and you will find the answers of these questions in the book. In the first paragraph, you will find, right, the answers in your own words. Clear? Short answers are required. They may be of 1 line or 2 line answer, right? Clear? Now question 3. See question 3, that is, write English meanings of the following words. English meanings, you have to write English meanings of the following words. Clear? First word is scarce. Second, desert. Third, suitable. Fetch. Companions. Migrated. Purchase. Quality. Apprised. And owned. There are 10 words. You may consult a dictionary to find the English meanings, to find the synonym of these words, right? It's not difficult. Then question 4. Question 4, write an application to your school principal for an urgent piece of work. You people have done many applications, different applications in class 8, right? This is not difficult. You can write very easily this application for an urgent piece of work. Reason you have to give, right? For urgent piece of work, you have to mention the reason. Clear? Then question 5 is write a story on the moral. Greed is a curse, right? Moral is given to you. There are different stories under this moral. You may write different stories, right? Like the greedy dog, 2 friends and a bag of gold, like a strange hen, and then moral will be the same. Greed is a curse. And if there is any other moral, you may mention greed is a curse, number 1, then number 2, haste makes waste, or any other moral, right? Then question 6, last question is do 1-page English calligraphy from unit 7, right? Unit 7, which you have studied, which you have read, you have to do 1-page calligraphy from this unit, right? So this is your May task, your English May task. And now I have prepared, I am going to tell you how you have to attempt these questions in your neat copies, right? Okay, let's see. You people have written course contents, right? Course contents. You people have written this course contents in your neat copies, right? Then from the next page, after course contents, you have to mention English work from home May task, right? You have to do it neatly, shading, underlining, use of marker, presentation. It should be done in the best way. Clear? Then unit 7, the 2 bargains, heading. Then question number 1, that is translate the passage into Urdu, right? Then the heading of the passage. Then passage you have to write in dotted form, right? As I have mentioned here. And then translation you have to do in points. You have to do the translation of the passage in points. Point number 1, point number 2, point number 3. And it's better to use your cut nib pen. Write in Urdu using your cut nib pen, right? Suppose there are 3 sentences, 4 sentences, right? I think there are 4 or 5 sentences in the passage. So you have to write all sentences here in the neat copy and then ending line. Urdu sentences, Urdu translation of those 4 sentences. Do them neatly, use cut nib pen. Writing should be excellent, right? And then ending line. Now half page, more than half page is left, so you may start question number 2 here. Question number 2, answer the short questions, right? Then part 1. Part 1 was, where did the Holy Prophet migrate? Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam migrate, this is the question. And then give the heading of the answer, find the answer from the book, and then write the answer here, right? And then in the same way, you have to attempt all 5 questions here. All 5 questions after doing question number 1, part 1, you will do part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5, and then ending line, right? This is your question number 2. Now, question number 3. See question number 3, that is, write English meanings. I have given headings of words and meanings, then 10 words. Draw a line in the center, right? Margin lines I have drawn on each and every page. You may see double margin lines I have drawn. See, ending lines I have drawn, shading has been done. So follow this pattern, this format, right? Do neat and tidy work. Best handwriting is required, right? There are 10 words for words meanings. You may find these words, consult the dictionary, look up the words in the dictionary. You may write 1 meaning, you may write 2 meanings. Short synonyms, mention here short meanings, short synonyms of the given words. Clear? Is it clear? Now, question number 4, right? That is, write an application to your school principal for an urgent piece of work. You people have done, I think you people have done this application in your 8th class, right? You will not find any difficulty to attempt this question. Let me show you the pattern of the application once again. Application pattern I have written for you people. This is the pattern, right? The principal, ABC school, commas, punctuation marks are must to put. Peshawar, subject, this is for remission of fine. You people have to written for urgent piece of work. The spelling of piece must be correct. It's written there. Then madam, with due respect, this is the pattern. or format of the application. You have to mention reason here, then therefore kindly grant me leave for 1 day, thanking you, yours obediently, XYZ, dated, whatever date you have, you are doing the work on the day, you have to mention that day, okay? Then, next question is, excuse me, question number 5, that is story, right? Story, give the heading of story, then title of the story, the greedy dog. If you are going to write on the greedy dog, then give the same title here, then divide the story in 2 paras, right? Start the paras by giving a little gap, give a little gap from the margin line, and then start first para, then start second para, and then in the end you have to mention the moral here, right? Moral of the story, greed is a curse, you have to mention in the end, and then ending line. Clear? And your last question is 1-page calligraphy. You have to do 1-page calligraphy, and this, it's better to do it from unit 7, right? Neat handwriting, it's up to you whether you do script writing or you do joining writing, right? But do it neatly, do it carefully without any spelling mistake. This is the last question. Hopefully you have understood.